Another exciting new feature of RFMS credit card services is the credit card MultiPay feature. Previously, there was no way to take a payment for multiple invoices by credit card. RFMS Credit Card Services has solved that problem. You simply log into your live company and select the MultiPay by credit card option. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is to select one of your customers, and so a list gets built immediately of all your open invoices sorted by customer, and we'll pick one of those as soon as the list pops up here. And I'll take this client. Okay, so now what I'm looking at here is a list allowing us to select particular invoices that we want to multi-pay. And the selection is done by tagging with the space bar. You can just tag, 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 and you can see the totals accumulating. In addition to tagging for the full amount, if you press Control Enter or Short Pay, a little box comes up that says, asks you for the amount to pay off, and I can change that to say $3 for that invoice, and $4 for this invoice, and $5 for that invoice. Then I go ahead and post the payment by pressing the Post Payment button and a confirmation. And I can enter a invoice or some form of a reference number. Usually I'll enter the date, something like that. The dollar amount obviously is pre-selected because it's the total of the invoices that we've already tagged. And I'm going to do a test card swipe transaction just to simplify the process of data entry. And I get my approved transaction. And the next step is to pick a receipt date. Now, the receipt date can be backdated. For instance, if your bookkeeper comes in on Monday and is doing these transactions on Monday, but they actually occurred on Friday or Saturday, you can go in and change the date as appropriate. Little calendar pop-up there if you want. But clicking OK starts giving us messages saying the invoices, that their old balance and their new balance. You can see behind that I had a $3 payment on this invoice 48-5, which is reflected by that. The next short payment is $4 on this invoice 32-5. We can see that one behind there as well. And then of course we'll see the last one, and then finally a confirmation that all of our multi-payments have been complete. Now, the neat thing is that if we go out of our program here and go back over to RFMS, we can take a look at these invoices. Actually, maybe the simplest way to do it is to look at our receipt recap. And if we go to our Visa Master Discover register, we should see at the very end of this these payments for $3, $4, and $5. There they are. Yes, indeed, 3, 4, and 5. And if I look at those actual invoices, I would also see that they have been paid off. So this is a demonstration of the credit card multi-pay feature. It's a part of the RFMS credit card console, which is available from utilities, credit card batch settlement. A login might be necessary, but from settings, the RFMS console. So good luck with this new feature. It's a nice enhancement for RFMS. Thanks for your time.